Chrysler Pacifica service and repairs. Chrysler is one of the big three automobile manufacturers in the United States. Headquartered in Auburn Hills, Michigan, it is the American subsidiary of Dutch domiciled automotive company Stellantis. In addition to the Chrysler brand, Stellantis North America sells vehicles worldwide under the Dodge, Jeep, and Ram nameplates. It also includes Mopar, its automotive parts and accessories division, and SRT, its performance automobile division. The 2021 Chrysler Pacifica is a minivan known for its family-friendly features, versatile interior, and advanced safety technology. Here are some general features and specifications for the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica. Servicing your Chrysler Pacifica involves regular maintenance to ensure the vehicle's optimal performance, reliability, and safety. Here are some general guidelines for Chrysler Pacifica service. Keep in mind that specific service requirements can vary based on factors such as the model year, mileage, and driving conditions. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended service intervals and specifications. Oil change. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine properly lubricated. Chrysler typically recommends oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. But check your owner's manual for the specific interval for your Pacifica. Tire rotation. Rotating tires helps ensure even wear and extends tire life. Chrysler may recommend tire rotation every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Brake inspection. Regular brake inspections are essential for safety. Check the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid during routine maintenance. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids such as engine coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filter replacement. The engine air filter should be inspected regularly and replaced as needed to maintain optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Battery inspection. Check the battery for corrosion and secure connections. Replace the battery if it is older or showing signs of weakness. Alignment check. If you notice uneven tire wear or the vehicle pulling to one side, it may be time for a wheel alignment. Spark plug replacement. Check your owner's manual for the recommended interval for spark plug replacement. Worn spark plugs can affect engine performance and fuel efficiency. Inspection of belts and hoses. Regularly inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear or damage and replace them as needed. Cooling system maintenance. Ensure the proper functioning of the cooling system by checking coolant levels and performing a cooling system flush if recommended by the manufacturer. Transmission service. Depending on your Pacifica's model year and transmission type, there may be a recommended interval for transmission fluid changes or flushes. For more accurate and model-specific information, it's recommended to consult your Chrysler Pacifica owner's manual or contact your local Chrysler dealership. They can provide you with the specific maintenance schedule and address any model-specific service requirements.